Man. Hey DrumFam, welcome YouTube. Man, we're just here shooting another lesson for you guys to play along with. And man, it's getting funky in here. So we're gonna go over 5 of my favorite old school grooves today. And I want you to play along with them, but I'm promising you, it's gonna get funky in your room. So go grab your sticks, grab you some aerosol. You might need a deodorant stick too, because it's gonna get that funky. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's get into this mini lesson today, and I want you to play along with me, so I hope you have your sticks. We're gonna start off right away, coming in at number 5 on my favorite old school grooves. It's in the pocket, nothing too fancy, just straight pocket. It is none other than September by Earth, Wind & Fire. Coming in at number 4. Coming in at number 4 is Let It Whip by the Das Band. I think you're gonna really like this one. All right, guys, we're at the number 3 spot. The number 3 spot on my list of my favorite old school funk grooves is none other than Brick House by the Commodores. All right, we're down to number 2, guys. We have 2 spots left. It was a toss-up for me on this number 2 or number 1 spot with these 2 songs. I like them a whole lot. I like the artist a lot, but I had to pick one. So as of this video, the number 2 spot goes to Prince and the song Sexy MF. Here we are. We're at the number 1 spot of my favorite old school grooves that I like to play. All right, so I hope you've been playing along with me on all the other tunes. This one here, I think you will agree, is very, very funky. Now, these rankings, got to be honest, these rankings were based on pocket, on groove, and what I'd like to term head bobbability. Yeah, head bobbability. The ability of music to make one's head bob. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that word in the comments. Anyway, getting on to number 1, here we go with Perfection by Run DMC. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope that you've had a great time playing along with us on these old school funk grooves. Nothing fancy, just a lot of pocket, some head bobbability going on up in there. So, hey, if you are new to the channel, thank you for your time today. Click the subscribe button below, leave us a comment. If you would like to continue supporting us and becoming a patron with us, go over to patreon.com. Look for the DrumFam. There you will be able to pick a tier of membership that you'd like to contribute and support our channel with. We thank you right now in advance for your support. Can't do it without you guys. Looking forward to the next video. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.